This is the Journey Zoomer, the ultralight, ultra-agile power chair that blends the best of a scooter and a wheelchair into one sleek ride. Thanks to its tool-free, one-pull folding design and a heaviest part that's just 19 pounds, it fits in most trunks or back seats and meets FAA guidelines for air travel. It turns on a dime with its tight 35-inch turning radius, perfect indoors. Yet it's tough enough to handle outdoor terrain from grass to gravel with puncture-proof tires and support for up to 300 pounds. Safety and comfort are front and center. Its patented floating footrest prevents trip hazards. Breathable mesh keeps you cool, and you're in full control thanks to its one-handed joystick navigation. With a quick-charge lithium-ion battery weighing under just 4 pounds, you get over 9 miles on a single charge and just about 4 hours to refill it. Whether you're heading to brunch, traveling, or just enjoying the outdoors, the Journey Zoomer lets you go with freedom, effortless, portable, and stylish. The Journey Zoomer isn't just a mobility device, it's a personal electric vehicle made for life on the move. Call AutoMobility Store today for more details, 800-431-3183. Or visit us at automobilitystore.com.